Good morning, respected management, principal, teacher, and all my dear friends. My name is Mohsin. I study in class 2nd. My topic is Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year in India. It is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru loved children very much. Children also loved him very much. Children fondly called him Chacha Nehru. On this day, schools, colleges organize various events for the student. It is also called Bal Divas. Children's Day is a very happy day for the children. The future of the country depends on the children. They get sweets and gifts from their teachers and the principal.
All my dear friends, my name is Alina Nadeem Sherkar. I study in class 2nd. My school name is ارقم English School. My topic is APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the 11th President of India and one of the most loved President by the children in our country is APJ Abdul Kalam. The APJ Abdul Kalam born in humble family of Tamil Nadu. He sold newspaper to make ends meet. He is inspiration for people. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam born in the year 1931 on 15 October. He was a leader. He was simple living and higher thinking. APJ Abdul Kalam was an aerospace scientist. He was a dreamer. He was the man of simple living and higher thinking. He got the title of Missile Man of India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam died on 27 July 2015. Thank you all of you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Teachers, principal, teachers, and my friends. Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November every year in India. It is birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru, he loved children very much. Children also loved them very much. Children fondly called him Chacha Nehru. On this day, school and college organize various events for the students. Chacha Nehru was extremely fondly young children. It is also called him Chacha Nehru. Thank you.